Well, hey folks, how's it all going? Welcome back. And oh man, you read the description. You said you're gonna do some Doritos Cool Ranch breaded chicken on the Masterbuilt. Come on, folks. I'll tell you what, it's gonna be delicious. Let's get it fired up and let's take a look at that chicken. All right, so we've got some Cool Ranch Doritos, my favorite, and we've got some chicken loin breasts, tenders. And what we're gonna do first is we're gonna put some of our chips in a bag and crunch them. All right, there's our chips in a bag. I just use a Ziploc bag. And folks, it's just about crunching them out. I mean, you can put them in a food processor or a blender. But in the coarseness, obviously, I'm gonna get this a lot more finer crunch, but you don't need to see that. I'll show you what I get it to after I'm done. All right, you can see I got some breaded already. That's the consistency of what I've got right there, folks. You can, like I said, you can go a lot finer than that. That was probably a third of the bag of Doritos. And as for a binder, no oil, no egg wash, no nothing, just water. I'm just using water, and then you just put them in there and just roll them around. And if you got to pat them down a little bit, I like to do that just to get the Doritos to stick a little bit to it. I like using the bag a lot. It really works nice. And there you go. There's another one done. So we'll do the rest of these, and then we'll get her on the grill. All right, guys, set at about 325, and we're about 335, so that's okay. We're gonna put this on one of the upper racks, folks, and just these won't take long, especially at 325. You can spray it with a little oil. But what I've found in the past that these Doritos have quite a bit of oil in them, so they'll brown up by themselves. And I could have gone a little thinner. These are a little coarse with my Fritos. I mean, my Doritos. So Fritos would be great. The honey, speaking of Fritos, those honey barbecue ones, mashed up. Oh, imagine honey barbecue chicken. Oh, baby, that would just be awesome. So give you a look-see as we proceed. Stay tuned. All right, folks, it's been only about 10 minutes, and those Doritos, oh man, does that smell good. Let's take a quick look, shall we? Okay, it's starting to brown up a little bit. Oh, that's gonna be so good, folks. On a grill, I'll tell you what, you could probably do this on any grill. You can do this, I've done this in the air fryer too. Tom Horseman on YouTube if you wanna watch that. It's delicious in the air fryer also, but it's gonna be delicious here on the Masterbuilt also. So let's maybe one more look-see, and then we'll play them up. All right, folks, one last look. I have to turn the temp up to about 450 just to get them nice and browned up. And you see I've turned them, and they are done and ready to come off, and we'll give you a look-see once we are eaten. But I'll tell you what, this grill always amazes me at what it can do. It's one heck of a cooker, that's all I can say. Oh man, there's our chicken tenders, folks. Cool Ranch Dorito, and look at what I'm using. Some of this armadillo pepper, whiskey barbecue sauce. I know you're dying. Look at that. Nice. Take a little taste test. It's good eating right there, folks. Thumbs up, leave a comment. As always, can't say it enough. Stay safe. Thanks for watching.